We're looking at do versus does today in present simple sentences. Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to my channel. Here we go with learning the pronouns and how do changes when it comes to third person. First person, I do. Second person, you. The person you're talking to, I'm talking to you. You do. Third person, those over there, he does. She does. It does. Okay? Third person. Not speaking, the people in the background or the things in the background, using it. Plural form, they do, we do. So that's how do changes in different forms using the different persons. Let's write a sentence now then. Let's write a sentence. I do love reading. I do love reading. I do love reading. I do love reading. You want to do your best. You want to do your best. So infinitive, because it's want to do. You want to do your best. Okay? Looking at he, she and it, let's use it. If we're talking about our mobile phone, it does not work. Or contraction, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. All right? Plural, I'm going to use they. They can do better. Okay, they can do better. So that's how we use do and does in different forms of sentences. That's quite advanced. A simpler form, I do go to school. I do go to school. You do cycling. If you do that sport, you do swimming. He does drink. He does drink a lot. She does running. She does running a lot. It does seem cold outside. It does feel cold outside. They do a great job. We do well in English. We do well in English. So that's the difference between do and does. I hope you find this lesson really useful today. If you have, please give it a like. And if you want more interesting lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye bye for now. Thank you.